Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the automatic central locking or anti-hijack system on a Renault Laguna Mark III. This should apply for models 2007 through to 2015. To access the settings menu on your trip computer, place your key into the dash to turn the ignition on, and using the trip computer buttons, scroll through until you see settings menu, press and hold. So use your trip computer button at the end of the stock and you'll see here at the top auto door locking while driving. Push the trip computer button in again to turn it on. You'll see there's a little tick symbol here, and that now means when you exceed 6 miles per hour or 10 kilometers per hour, all doors will lock. If you don't want to use this option, you can just push the central locking button here on the dash to lock the doors or unlock the doors whenever you want. We really hope you found that video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.